I'm Robin Richards. I'm a composer and I'm the bass player in the band Dutch Uncles, and for the last 6 weeks I've been the artist in residence in Carnarvon. When I saw the advert for the residency, I was looking for a new project that would sort of take me out of my comfort zone and experiment with new forms of music. So as soon as I got here and sort of saw the room and met Dullan the blacksmith, I knew that there was real potential to do something quite exciting in the space. So yeah, and I think I've kind of gone with that and gone further than I expected. So this evening is the exhibition of the work that I've been doing over the last 6 weeks, and the work that I've been doing with Mike Murray as well, who's a local artist. So we've worked together. I've written a piece which is using found sound recorded in the Forge, and Mike has made a video using sculptures that he's made and animated them, and then as well as that I've written 2 choral pieces which will be performed tonight.
My name is Mike Murray. I've been working as an artist in residence in Gefyl Erinis. I've had the local artists role, working alongside Robin Richards from Manchester. The kind of pencil sketch outline idea was to make animated kind of film, making a kind of like a zoetrope sculpture, which is like an early form of animation. What I did with the Parkman students was we made lots of kind of different wire drawings relating to the whole area. So there's drawings of buildings, there's drawings of flowers, there's drawings of birds and other kind of motifs. What I was doing with Anthony Wayne Voward was developing a range of kind of casting techniques. So they explored different materials within that. The video projection is kind of compilation of different footage. There's the students' wire drawings, which are kind of made, and then through kind of constant dialogue with Robin, he then developed the sound piece, and while he was developing the sound piece, I was developing the film. So it's a kind of dialogue between me and him.
I've been here once a week for the last 6 weeks, and yeah, just really kind of fallen for the place. I'm from, well, all my family are from Cornwall originally, so there's lots of aspects of the town that remind me of some of my favourite places in the world. So to have that, which isn't a 6-hour drive away, which I can get here in just under 2 hours, and just really absorb the amazing views, the community, the history that this town has. Yeah, it's been amazing.